Hi guys, how are you doing, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a hair tutorial. Basically, look at my hair, it's dry. I need to put on a wig at some point, so I need to get it down flat, and I want a really cute style that will look good with everything. So you're gonna see me go from this to this.
If you're feeling lonely, feel up, baby, feel on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
So I hope that you're going to be ready to use a lot of product. Like, I don't even know if I have enough. So I'm using today the Styling Gummy Wax Ultra Hold. Like, this thing just gets your hair down proper. And then I'm also going to be using some Eco Styler gel. Is this enough? But just in case, I've got some got to be glued gel. So let's begin. Ready?
Don't do me like I'm regular. My bank balance ain't the regular. You're calling up my line, but you're regular. Don't you know this girl ain't no regular? Yeah, my flow nice like the regular. So my show price ain't the regular. This ice ain't the regular. No regular, no regular. You like the way I come alive. Better be cautious for the night. You like the way I come alive. Better be cautious for the night. These dollars. No regular. Show the world $10. No regular. Until I wash on the dollar. These dollars. No regular. Share all over $10. No regular. Until I wash on the dollar. You call me sexy señorita. You like the way I'm flexing, you a keeper. You're ringing up my line, but can you keep up? You're so sweet, You call me sexy señorita. You like the way I'm flexing, you a keeper. You're ringing up my line, but can you keep up? You're so sweet, Don't do me like I'm regular. See this body type in the regular. And my brown skin in the regular. Yes, your beauty queen in the regular. I want Chanel bags on the regular. So this price tag on the regular. This flow ain't the regular. The regular, the regular. You like the way I come alive. Better be cautious for the night. You like the way I come alive. Better be cautious for the night. These dollars. No regular. Show the world $10. No regular. Until I wash on the dollar. These dollars. No regular. Share all over $10. No regular. Until I wash on the dollar. You call me sexy señorita. You like the way I'm flexing, you a keeper. You're ringing up my line, but can you keep up? You're so sweet, You call me sexy señorita. You like the way I'm flexing, you a keeper. You're ringing up my line, but can you keep up? You're so sweet, You call me sexy señorita. You like the way I'm flexing, you a keeper. You're ringing up my line, but can you keep up? You're so sweet, You call me sexy señorita. You like the way I'm flexing, you a keeper. You're ringing up my line, but can you keep up? You're so sweet,
So guys, once you've let it kind of dry, it's still a little bit wet, but I've only had on the thing for like an hour. I didn't even use a blow dryer. A blow dryer can help, or if you have one of them things to put on your head that gives the heat and makes you feel like you're in the oven, you can try that too. But yeah, this is the finished look. Also, my hair, it's grown out since the last time I've done it, so I have more hair at the back. And unfortunately I can't cut it because for the next style that I'm planning in like a month or so, like a new revamped type of look, I need hair. I need a little bit more hair. But yeah, as you can see. I don't know how the back's looking, but I can always, you know, put that nicely. But boom. Oh, as you can see. Boom. 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 Ah.
This flow ain't no regular, no regular, no regular. You like the way I come alive. Better be cautious for the night.
So guys, this is the completed hairdo. Literally a lot of product, a lot of patience, a lot of muscle, and you'll get there in the end. So don't give up, just keep sticking. My hair, by the way, guys, let you know, is not fully dry yet. I can still feel the product. It needs a little while, it needs a bit of heat to set it in place. And yeah, but the sunlight's going, and I really wanted to get this out for you guys because you really asked for it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. All the links and everything that I use will be in the description bar below if you want to get the exact same products that I have. Also, when your hair is dry fully and everything like that, you can actually just put a little bit of oil on the scalp and oil the hair a bit and kind of let the oil seep through, just so that you don't harbor any like flaky dry-ish in your scalp or dry scalp or whatever, because I suffer from dry scalp, so not to me. But yeah, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Big up yourself. Bye.